Goku has been defeated and suddenly appears lying on the ground near the Capsule Corporation. That has happened with the Saiyan, where is located Vegeta, which is the context by which we have it in this good state to enter. Context anticipates what we would see soon in chapter 31 of the anime promotional and last of the saga of the Universal Tree. As you had commented previously, the promotional anime also has a manga, and for the manga is generally slightly a bit more advanced than the anime itself. Therefore, what we see now in this vignettes, we will see when the new episode of the promotional anime in the same month of February. In the video of last week, I shared a summary of the events that we would see in chapter 31, and now we can finally accompany them with some vignettes. In the summary, one of the paragraph mentioned the following: the last scene of the mission shows Goku from the super line already separated from the blue hair function, wondering what happened. This is the capital of the West, and indeed one of the final vignettes show us precisely a Goku in the capital of the West, exactly in the Capsule Corporation, already separated from Belido. Obviously, what a couple of things could mean. The first thing, beautifully finished, defeating Broly, and then Blue and everything returned to peace. Preventing was will complete your plan to create a new universe. A second, that actually first and completed his plan, creating a new universe, but Goku and Vegeta succeeded save himself after losing the fusion. Unfortunately, what happened in the manga apparently would be the second alternative. The vignettes show us how Goku and Vegeta end up separating, the product of having reached the limit of his power, while Fu only limited to observe how both Saiyans seem to disappear and what happened to Broly. To enter context, remember that it was an achievement to obtain the powers of Maxicabura, now becoming the new Dark Demon King. Previously, the god of destruction Bills managed to eradicate the Sacred Tree Universal, preventing him from continuing his purpose of creating a new universe. However, now that Fu has the power of pure Mexica, which is capable of revive the tree with your own power, but to do so quietly, you must get rid of Belido Blue and Fuzies in a Super Saiyan phase for Limit Breaker. So he brought Broly on his part to prevent both. Here, interfere with your plans. Chapter 30 of the promotional anime. It was unfinished in this way because we could not see if Broly was defeated or not while he was advancing in his experiment, and now thanks to the manga we know what happened. The second little hairs will fight against Broly, and all seem like the combined attack of both would have to defeat Broly in somehow way, but wearing his power to the max. And then another scene shows us when the merger has already been separated and both are behind a despite the fact that they have practically already been defeated due to the use of all their powers, but they show calm before disappearing because they previously devised a target in of Imigra. Let us remember that the Migra is also the battlefield, and apparently his mission is to seal Blue in the opening of time by ending his plans, and in effect Emigrate appears and chains and about to seal it in the labyrinth of time. This is a hidden dimension that was used in ancient time to seal the ancient demon king of the universe. 7 Michai caveat to this label was used by the street sin del tiempo chroma. However, now currently is from Migra that uses it to seal to the new demon king Fu. But in the end, something unexpected happens. Fu is shown smiling and has something in his hand which makes a very flash bright happens all around him, affecting those who were present. Between these, the Migra and his assistant Robert, or at the moment no, it really ended up happening with Fu, but it seems like it won't end being completely sealed, as we remember that a new saga is coming where it will be present. My theory is that this object that was held is the power of the universal tree. but synthesized in this object, and I think was finally before being sealed, has managed to create a new universe. And by that, the hues flash. In fact, the title of the chapter 31 of the Anime promotional will be titled as Follows the Creation of a New Universe. So it makes a lot of sense that he ended up meeting his goal in the images revealed. For now, they do not show us anything else. Regarding Yo, I imagine that when the complete manga comes out, there we will see everything which actually ended up happening, but as additional dignity is just what that shows us Goku defeated in the western capital, for now safe from some way, but you will have to prepare together with others, because in March the new saga begins, the space-time war and arc that we have already commented a lot. And that it will put different universe and warrior of different timeline at the moment. This is how Dragon Ball Heroes paint. On the other hand, Heroes not only brought back Broly, but also in the most recent episode of the promotional anime also introduced the mysterious ancient Saya, and Inkampa, also known as the evil Chayo Ying, who has caused some problems for Goku, Vegeta and the others from Red or Zeta. In the last episode, chapter number 30, we witnessed the return to from the original Broly operation, who first appeared in the 8th Dragon Balls movie. Being the great Aesop, the sleeve of full apparently will continue to put the rest of the O's network in serious trouble. While end of the episode, we were able to contemplate Kamba, who apparently would be rescued by Herds, who also appeared in the latter chapter, and will. These are some events that would wait for us then to this next chapter of the promotional anime as well as the manga. Only to be attentive and see what the future of Dragon Ball hold for us heroes as always. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.